Ever wondered if a house could be as quirky as a Picasso painting or as unexpected as a plot twist in a mystery novel? Imagine living in a home shaped like a teapot or squeezed into a space narrower than your wardrobe. Ready to explore some of the world's most peculiar abodes? Let's uncover the most unusual houses on the planet. Number 1. Hang Nga Guest House, Vietnam. Ever been to a house that feels like a dream? Picture this, a house in Vietnam, not just any house, but a masterpiece crafted by a passionate Vietnamese architect and impressionist. She embarked on this ambitious project in 1990, fueled by a dream to create something truly her own. But dreams, as we know, aren't always smooth sailing. She faced bankruptcy, and banks turned their backs on her. But did she give up? No. She had a light bulb moment. Why not turn the house into a tourist attraction? And voila, the house, resembling a whimsical tree with quirky windows and tunnel-like stairways, became a sensation. Inside, it's a maze of twisting organic designs. Imagine walking through a hallway that feels like you're inside a giant tree, reaching for the skies. And the rooms? Oh, they're a treat. From tiger-themed spaces to rooms dedicated to ants, kangaroos, and eagles, each offers a mystery waiting to be unraveled. While it functions as a hotel, many see it as a museum of dreams. Every visitor walks away with a story, a unique interpretation of their surreal experience. So, what story will you have when you visit? Number 2. The Steel House, Lubbock, Texas. Ever thought of living in a house that feels like it's about to scuttle off or zoom into space? Welcome to the Steel House in Lubbock, Texas. Picture this, a colossal insect meets a UFO. And no, Dorothy, we're not in Oz. This masterpiece, sculpted by Robert Bruno over 2 decades, is entirely crafted from steel. And guess what? It weighs a jaw-dropping 110 tons. Perched on slender steel legs, it's like a metallic guardian watching over the land. Step inside, and it's like entering an alien world. 3 stories of sweeping arches and platforms, reminiscent of a Beatles shell or a sci-fi movie set. And if you're thinking, do I need a spaceship? Nope, you've got the Steel House. But what's truly mesmerizing are the windows. Each one captures a slice of the rugged Texan landscape, contrasting beautifully with the house's futuristic aura. In a world of standard bricks and predictable designs, the Steel House is a salute to human creativity and the magic of thinking outside the box. Imagine coming home and saying, "Beam me up, Scotty," instead of the usual, "Honey, I'm home." Number 3, Glass House in Connecticut. Ever daydreamed of having nature's wonders as your daily TV show? Enter the Glass House in Connecticut. Picture this, a house where you're not just looking out at nature, but you're practically in it. Architect Philip Johnson didn't just design this house, he lived in it. A masterpiece of modern architecture, this house is like a transparent canvas, letting nature paint its ever-changing scenes. From the gentle dance of spring blossoms to autumn's fiery display, it's all right there in your living room. Built in 1949, this house isn't about rooms or walls. It's about blurring the lines between inside and out. While most of us hang a nature painting or two, in the Glass House, nature itself is the masterpiece on display. The minimalist decor ensures nothing distracts from the main attraction, the great outdoors. Think of it as a live-in art gallery where nature and human creativity coexist. Embracing the less is more philosophy, the Glass House might just be the ultimate home for those who love being on display as much as they love nature. And hey, in a house like this, every angle is your selfie angle. Number 4, Carrot House, Warsaw. Ever played Tetris and thought, hey, I could fit something in that tiny gap? Well, Central Warsaw took that challenge to a whole new level. Amidst the towering skyscrapers, there's a house that's been turning heads and squishing expectations. Meet the Carrot House, the world's skinniest residence, nestled in a mere 4-foot gap. Imagine that. This house stretches up 30 feet, but is only as wide as a yoga mat at its slimmest point. Inside this slender wonder, every inch is a marvel of design. With just 46 square feet, it boasts a kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, and even a fridge for a couple of cold ones. The first floor, it's got stairs. But from the 2nd to 3rd, you're climbing a ladder, my friend. And while you might think a house this tiny would skimp on utilities, think again. It borrows electricity from its neighboring buildings like a tech-savvy squirrel. And sewage? They've got a unique system that's not seen anywhere else in the city. Though it's technically an art installation, because it's too cool for housing codes, it's still someone's actual home. Talk about living large in the smallest of spaces. Number 5, the Winchester Mystery House. Ever walked into a house and thought, did a ghost design this? Welcome to the Winchester Mystery House in San Jose, California. This isn't just any Victorian mansion. It's a maze of architectural wonders and, well, blunders. Crafted by Sarah Winchester, widow of the gun magnate William Wirt Winchester, this house is a riddle wrapped in an enigma, sprinkled with a dash of mystery. Why, you ask? Rumor has it, Sarah was trying to appease the spirits of those who met their end, thanks to Winchester rifles, so she built and built and built for 38 years straight. No master plan, just endless construction. The result? A sprawling mansion with 160 rooms, including 40 bedrooms, 2 ballrooms, and staircases that, surprise, lead to absolutely nowhere. Doors that open to walls, windows peeking into other rooms. It's like someone played architectural bingo and went a bit overboard. If houses had personality, this one would be the quirky ant with a treasure trove of wild tales. Number 6, the Pole House. Ever dreamt of living on a cloud or maybe floating above the ocean? Australia's Pole House might just be the closest thing to that dream. Perched like a bird's nest, 40 meters above the mesmerizing Fairhaven Beach, this architectural marvel seems to dance between the sea and the sky. The story goes back to the 70s when Frank Dixon envisioned a home that wasn't just a shelter, but a theatrical masterpiece. Inspired by the breathtaking sunrises and sunsets, he wanted a house that stood out, a beacon on the horizon. And so, by 1978, the Pole House was born. But nature, with its winds and salty sprays, wasn't too kind to it. Fast forward to 2013, new owners decided to restore this gem, staying true to Dixon's vision. Today, it's a sight to behold. A glass walkway welcomes you, and as you step inside, the vast ocean dominates your view, thanks to the floor-to-ceiling glass. The interiors? Think of a cozy fireplace hanging from the ceiling, sleek stone floors, and chic details that add a touch of glam. But let's be real, it's the endless ocean that steals the show. Imagine waking up to the symphony of waves every day. If there's a place where dreams meet reality, this might just be it. Number 7, Cube House Rotterdam. Ever looked at a Rubik's Cube and thought, I could live in that? Well, Rotterdam in the Netherlands might just have the answer. Dive into the quirky world of cube homes, where straight lines are overrated. Designed by the imaginative architect Piet Blom, these homes will have you scratching your head and wondering, how's that even possible? Instead of sitting flat, these cubes cheekily tilt on their corners. Blom's vision? To create a living space that felt like an urban roof. Picture this. Cubes like abstract trees forming a peculiar forest amidst the city hustle. And while trees stand tall and straight, these homes decided to take a different angle, literally. Inside each 45-degree tilted cube, it's a 3-tiered wonderland. The ground floor, or street house, boasts a living area and kitchen. Climb up and you're in the bedroom realm. But the cherry on top? The pyramid-esque room offering a bird's-eye view of Rotterdam. Beyond the architectural marvel, these homes are a testament to human ingenuity and the desire to push boundaries. The play of light and shadow inside these cubes creates a unique ambience, changing with the time of day. Residents often share tales of curious onlookers, making it a local attraction. And while they might look like a geometry puzzle from the outside, they're surprisingly cozy on the inside. So if you've ever fancied living in a tilted cube or simply want to experience architectural innovation, Rotterdam should definitely be on your travel bucket list. Number 8. Nautilus Seashell House. Ever dreamt of living in a house inspired by your favorite cartoon? No, we're not talking about SpongeBob's pineapple, but something even cooler. Picture this. A house shaped like a snail, nestled right in the heart of Mexico City. Sounds like a fairy tale, right? This isn't just any house. It's a blend of art and a callback to simpler times. Drawing inspiration from architectural legends like Gaudi and Frank Lloyd Wright, this home is a testament to bioarchitecture. The idea sprouted from a family's desire to ditch the mundane and embrace nature. And voila, a $218,000 snail-shaped masterpiece was born. A bit pricey for a mollusk, you might think, but step inside, and you'll see why. Bathed in natural sunlight with floors that seem alive and furniture mimicking nature's designs, it's a living, breathing work of art. The house not only stands as an architectural marvel, but also challenges the conventions of modern living. Its design promotes sustainability and a deep connection with the environment. Every corner of the house whispers tales of innovation, urging visitors to rethink their own living spaces. So if you've ever wanted to merge the tranquility of the ocean with the comfort of home, This snail house might just be the blueprint to start with. Who knew mollusks could be so chic? And there you have it, folks. From snail-shaped abodes to tilted cubes, our planet is brimming with architectural wonders that defy the ordinary. These unusual houses remind us that home isn't just a place, but an expression of imagination and creativity. If you ever feel the walls of convention closing in, remember there's a world of wacky and wonderful homes out there waiting to inspire you. Thanks for joining us on this architectural adventure. If you enjoyed this journey through the world's most unique homes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, keep dreaming and dare to live differently.